In this video, I'll be showing you how to extend your ultra-wide monitor to your desktop computer or to your laptop or to a second monitor. So let's say you've purchased an ultra-wide monitor, for example. This is a Samsung View Infinity ultra-wide 34-inch quad. So you want to extend it instead of just using it as just one monitor. You want to extend it to your laptop or to a second monitor. So let's do the following. First of all, on your desktop, right click and then click display settings. Here in display settings, you can see we have a monitor. Let me make this big. You can see I'm using a very ultra wide display monitor. So you can see I have two screens. I've already extended the display, but we have different options here. You can see we can duplicate this display. We can only show only on one and on two. And first of all, you want to identify which screen is the first one and the second one. So if you click identify, you can see that this monitor I'm using right now is my second monitor. So you want to click extend the display, and here you can see that I will have two, but I can also switch them. Like I can switch from this monitor to this other monitor here, which means that my mouse, for example, you can see that my mouse is going from the 2 to 1, which means I'm going on my right. But if I take this number 1, 2 and put it here, which means I will need to go to the left side to my other monitor. And again, if I click on number 2, you can see that this is actually the main display monitor. So we can go to our start menu and others, but we can also make number 1 our display monitor. This is my laptop, so I can just click on it and make it my number 1 monitor. So we also have some other options here which you can actually just check and play with, but you can always switch them back if you think you're not satisfied with the way it works. For example, it says ease cursor movement between display. So by checking this, it's going to actually ease the movement of your cursor between your two monitors. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. And please, if this video is of any help to you, don't forget to like, share, and also leave a comment to help this video reach other users as well. And if you have any comment, please, or any question, don't forget to comment as well in the comment section of this video, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible.